Today is a quick signing up to Prepsheets. So first we hit the sign up button, then we write in our name, our email. You can choose a password and you will have to accept the terms and conditions of usage of Prepsheets, and then you start your 2-week free trial. This now will set you up and you will create your organization's name. So I'm going to call it Tara's Test Cafe. I'm going to choose euros. You can choose other currencies and metric. And again, you have other options there. I'm going to pick between 10 and 100 recipes and choose continue. So now I'm set up in Prepsheets with my cafe, dashboard, recipes and ingredients, all empty obviously. So the first thing we'll do is go into settings and see how we're set up. In the general, we do have an item here called wastage percentage. That's discussed in another video, so have a look at that. We then have our tags, again discussed in another video. Suppliers, I'm going to add in a managed supplier quickly here just to show you, but again, this is discussed in another video. I'm going to put in Cisco, and you will now see it set up, and I'm going to just remove Prepsheets there because that's historically in there. VAT rates, this is what's important, and we're going to set up our VAT rates now. Add, and then you just type in your VAT rate. So I'm going to type in special reduced rate, and that's 9% currently. And then I press save, and then I add in my reduced rate by choosing add again, type reduced rate, 13.5%, and finally I'm going to add in my standard rate. Again, add standard rate, 23%, and choose save. Now my VAT rates are in and ready to be used. So now we move on to users, and again by default I'm already set up. If I want to invite somebody, I just choose add a member. I type in their email address and then I can highlight admin or viewer. Admin is full access, whereas viewer will only have read-only access. Then we move on to billing, and again in here we can manage our billing once you move on to being a customer, and there you can edit your credit card details, bank details, etc. Then we have labels, and again if you use the nutritional labeling option, here you can just choose if you're using a Zebra printer. To check our VAT rates, we go to recipes, hit new, and we create a new recipe. And if you see here under selling price, there's VAT rate. You click here and you will be shown the 3 VAT rates that are available to us, the 13.5%, the 9% and the 23%. Obviously this is a blank database right now, so I can't set up a recipe, but it's really important you use these VAT rates. You put in your selling price, which is on your menu, and Prepsheets will calculate then what your actual margin is, excluding the VAT. Video for today. Thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, just email us at info@prepsheets.com.